Look, this is not an ordinary container. This is our mobile oxygen fortress. It is about to be shipped overseas. Our containerized oxygen system is now used in over 70 countries. Open the door. Air compressor, refrigerated dryer, precision filters, molecular sieve adsorption towers, oxygen buffer tank, intelligent control panel. Air in, oxygen out at 93% plus or minus 3% purity. Connect the power, press start, fully automatic. Fully sealed anti-corrosion enclosure, built-in temperature control and ventilation. Stable oxygen output even in high humidity. For corner castings, meet international lifting standards. Highway, sea, rail, delivered straight to the site. Again, and within 30 minutes, oxygen supply begins. Why export it to over 70 countries? Quality that stands the test. ISO, CE certified as a complete unit. Molecular sieve lifespan, 10 years. Key components from world-class brands. Every system undergoes a 72-hour full load test before delivery. Concentration, pressure, alarms, all verified. Equipped with a remote operation and maintenance platform. Our engineers can monitor real-time data overseas and send early warnings. Over 70 countries have made their choice. That is the best proof of quality. ITER Molecular Sieve Oxygen Generation System. Chinese manufacturing, serving the world.